Your car's paint may look clean, but what if I told you it's not? This is what your wash is missing. Watch as I take this car from contaminated to flawless with this Autoglym Clay Detailing Kit. So today I'm going to be testing out Autoglym's Clay Detailing Complete Kit. And as it says on the box, it's everything you need to remove the service contaminants from your paintwork. So let's have a look what you get in the box. You get Autoglym's Rapid Detailer, Autoglym's Clay Bar, Autoglym's Super Resin Polish, and also it comes complete with Autoglym's Finishing Cloth. So why would you use this kit? Well, you would use it to remove the contaminants that sit on your car's paint. You can normally feel them when you rub your hand over the surface of the car. They feel quite rough. But once the contaminants are removed from the paint, it really does leave a silky shiny finish, ready for your car to be polished and waxed. So I'm going to break this video down into 3 sections. Part 1 is the claying stage. Part 2 is the polishing stage. And part 3 is the waxing stage. So let's get on with part 1, the claying stage. Okay, the car has now been washed and dried and is now ready for the claying stage. Break off a small piece of clay. Knead it and flatten it into the size of a large coin. So I will be using the Rapid Detailer spray, the clay and the finishing cloth. I'll also be using a glove just to protect my hand from the spray. Ensure the vehicle is cool. Spray a generous amount of the Rapid Detailer onto the clay. Spray also onto a small area of the paintwork. Then glide the clay lightly over the paint surface in straight lines. Do not apply pressure. Once the area feels smooth to the touch, wipe away any excess rapid detailer with a finishing cloth. Then repeat this process on a new area, overlapping slightly with the previous section.
I used in total 3 pieces of clay, but just look at what was on the car surface. It's just incredible. So that's the claying process, part 1, complete. So let's go and have a look at the results. Once the car was washed, it was ready to clay. With the combination of the rapid detailer and the clay, it was very easy to get a really great finish that felt silky smooth. All ready now for the polish process. So that's this section, part 1 of the claying process complete. The next section, part 2, is the polishing stage. So what's my score for this part of the process? Well, for the clay and the rapid detailer at this stage, I'm going to give them a perfect 10 out of 10. I've never given a 10 on this channel before, but it's well deserved. So well done to Autoglym. The clay and the rapid detailer really did get those contaminants off. The contaminants that I couldn't see with the eye on the paint surface. So that's why it deserves the score I've given it. So the next video is the polish part of the process. So we'll be using the Autoglym Super Resin Polish, which comes with the kit. And like I say, that's going to come up in the next video. If you don't want to miss that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. That would really help the channel grow as well. If you're watching this video further down the line, a few weeks later on, the video may be there. So go to the channel and take a look. That's it for this one. That's it for the... Oh my God, it was going so... That's it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one, part 2 of the process.